Hey guys, it's Morgan Strong Comic here. So I have a Hot Topic order here. I just thought I would show you some of the goodies I got. I did get some gifts for people, so those will not be included, but yeah, I'm really excited. Got some of these with hot cash after we did my mall swag trip with Sarah on Saturday. There's one more day and they kept giving me more hot cash, so yeah, but I got some pretty good deals, so I'm excited about that. So we'll kind of start with some of the clothes. So I did take them out of the plastic and cut the tags off, but I haven't actually revealed them yet. So you guys will see them first with me. All right, so this first one is just a real simple purple shirt, like a nice lavender with a pretty purple butterfly. And I got this because May, which is this month, is Lupus Awareness Month, which is what I have. I have that, hemophilia, anemia, some other stuff as well, but those are my main ones, lupus and hemophilia. And the symbol for May's Lupus Awareness Month is a purple butterfly. So I always try to find purple butterfly stuff. It was one, I love both purple and butterfly anyway throughout the year. But I like to do selfie challenges, so I take a selfie of myself every day in May wearing either purple or butterfly. So I like to find new products for that. So I thought that was cute. Okay. Now I have the Sailor Moon ones of these and I really love them. They're super cute, super comfortable. So I saw that they had a Hello Kitty version of her with strawberry milk. That's like been the theme for a year now. It's Hello Kitty and strawberry milk. Or Hello Kitty's characters combined with other anime characters. They just did Fruits Basket, which I'm stoked about. These are super cute. Also lavender. It's a lavender pink. So I can wear these too for lupus awareness. And I believe these were like $24, which is what my Sailor Moon ones were as well. So I think they're super cute. Very kawaii culture. And then for another butterfly, my butterfly doesn't have to be purple, but I just typed in butterflies. And this looks smaller than I thought, although I got my normal size, so I'll have to see if it fits. But it's a super cute. So it is technically a crop top, but I'm gonna put a tank top under it, obviously. But it's this real pretty mesh at the top, and then it's got a built-in underlayer here, silky. It's very soft, and it's pink, like pale pink, kind of violet red, and hot pink butterflies. It's got these little ties on here that are super cute. I was hoping if I undid them, in case it is a little too small, because again, that's kind of small, it would stretch, but unfortunately it really doesn't. But we'll see, it might fit. And this was about $18, $19 normal price on Hot Topic, which isn't bad at all for something like this. And then this I've been really thinking is super cute, but they had like another 50% off certain anime. They did that a couple weeks ago and they did it again. So this happened to be 50% off, and then I got that half off for my hot cash. I only spent like $7 on this one. It's normally $24. And it's Gigi with his girlfriend / wife with the little bread knot that they made for Kiki's delivery service. And I love Kiki. I love Studio Ghibli. I love Gigi. I love it. And I like pale pink's not my favorite, but this one isn't like super pale, luckily. So I think it's a pretty color. So again, this was normally $24. Got a half off for $12 before the hot cash, because they actually combined the anime sale. And then I got it for like $7. So that was pretty awesome. So yeah, even though I don't need shirts, I got shirts. I got these super kawaii purple with pink cherry blossoms and adorable Eevee Sakis for about $7, $8. I don't need socks, but Hot Topic actually has had some super comfortable socks in the past year or so, especially the Lower Olympic socks. Those are always super comfortable. So I figured get some more comfy socks, and they're purple. I do have purple tennis shoes now that I bought at Amazon. All right, and then just a few little grab bag thingies. Or not grab, well, I do have one grab bag. Actually, I have 2 grab bags, but oh, wait, yeah. So this is, it's a Hogwarts pendant. So it's Hogwarts from Harry Potter. I don't have a lot of Harry Potter jewelry and stuff like that. I have a lot of Hufflepuff accessories, but I thought this was cute. It's $10 normally. I did get half off, but it's got the castle. It's a little too dark, even though I know the castle scene's supposed to be dark, but I did like the camisole type feel on it. It's just like a fake glass and everything, but I thought it was pretty. And they must usually have good jewelry sales. And this is also for my lupus butterfly obsession, if I can open it. Maybe. Oh, I was like, where's the tab? And this was normally 10 for both of them. But they're like dried floral moons. So they're butterflies. They got flowers on them, and I believe they're like friendship cord bracelets. But I'm going to just use them to wear them because I always have bad luck with friendship necklaces and bracelets. So I just use them for myself. I know that's kind of selfish, but if I could decorate something, like put on my wrist to make the little purple butterfly on there for lupus awareness, or just add extra purple. I like the little fake diamond hearts. Or I might be able to, like, since it's one of those cord things, which work really well, kind of pull them and maybe make like a ponytail out of it. So both of those are about $10. All right, and then I did get 2 blind bags for my last thing. I got one of the Sonic acrylic. I got Knuckles last time, hopefully to get something a little bit different. And then the Oron styles, I just need Haruhi and Tamaki. Tamaki's the rarest, and he's my boy, so he's the one I want, but I'd be happy with either one. So, all right, let's open up the acrylic stand first. All right, here we go. And I got Sonic. Okay, okay. I wanted Shadow or Amy were my top 2, but Sonic's good. And fits nice and neat. There we go. Looks like the kind of the mid-generation Sonic. And these are $9 normally. All right. And then the enamel pin blind bag Oron, the square set. All right. Let's see if we can get this. This has tape. And this is also $9 normally. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Ah! My king. You saw it here because online the cheapest I can find him is $22. So yay! Thank you, Hot Topic gods. Now I just need Haruhi, but at least I got Tamaki. That was like my #1. So yay! I'm so excited. All right, guys. Hope you like this quick little Hot Topic unboxing video for the end of April, beginning of May Hot Cash season. Thank you so much for your support. You can support me, my audiobooks, and my book franchises further by going to my Patreon, patreon.com/MorganSComnic. We have lots of fun things, like this month is May Movie and Motivation Month. So we're talking about, you know, things that motivate us. Like for me, learning about my autoimmune disease and supporting others of any kind of illness, or motivating myself to try to eat healthier and work out more. And then movies, I'm looking for movie suggestions for different categories, so you guys can comment on that. We always do have monthly Q&As. We have exclusive sneak peeks, updates, merch that you guys get first access to. Shining Stars, the highest tier, get an interactive game with me once a month, which is really fun. Got some fun things planned for that. So yay! And then every month there's like a birthday and a holiday shout out, which I just did today. So it would be great if you join. There's $3, $7, and $10 tiers, or you can do a custom tier. Any support would be really appreciated. All right, you guys are awesome, beautiful. Thank you. Lots of love from me and the king. Bye. We'll see you then.